Yes, today they are celebrating this annual day program of Holy Faith School. I'm actually very glad to be a part of this program. Around, I think 200 kids are studying here, the part of this school academy, and their parents around 600 parents. I could not count, but probably Andaspe, I think there are around 600 parents. It's a huge gathering. I feel a proud event today, and also I feel happy about the management. She is the HM of the school. She's told, and she is the management president, holding 12 branches in the city, as I was informed. And I'm really happy and wish you good luck for the future, because they are teaching our national kids. Like whatever today they are kids, they are tomorrow the citizens. So wish you good luck. Thank you. Exactly. See, teaching kids is very easy because they are the tender now, very small stages. You can teach the kids. Parallelly, I just one thing I just wanted to add up is like they encourage parents also. Let them encourage their kids about what is education, what is the real meaning of education, what is we are lagging in the education only. Our what I feel, our home is lagging in the education, so I just want them to make a part of it. My name is Tabassum Afza, Executive Engineer, SESCOM, holding one state in charge in the Vigilance branch. Thank you.
Ma'am, today you are celebrating annual day of Holy Faith. It's one of your branch which have been started last year. So what would you like to tell about that?
Very happy and glad that our school is celebrating, one of our school is celebrating annual day, their first annual day, and lots and lots of efforts have been done. That you can see over here how it is, what it is. I think ma'am said regarding parents getting involved in it. We have certain activities wherein the parents are involved, like Father's Day and Mother's Day have been done. I would like to specify regarding one activity. One of our kindergarten HM has introduced this one. Aisha has introduced this one. Like a student and their father, the child and the father, they create a video and they posted in the group, which will be played today on the AV. You can see that. Dheere dheere we are trying and making sure that the parents are getting involved. The major thing is we want the parent to get involved along with the student while the child is coming up in their career. Fabulous thing. I think more than me saying regarding my staff, you should ask my staff how they feel regarding the management and how well we treat them. Basically, I feel we should never treat, I don't say staff also, I say my colleagues. I treat them as family. Better you ask my colleagues, they will say regarding that.
So this is your first year annual day.
Yes.
How is the response, ma'am?
Response is Alhamdulillah too good. The parents are very happy. You can see how they are doing it. Wherein here also, in this particular branch also, we have the Niyat as well as the curriculum. Curriculum, you very well know how our curriculum is. We make sure our kids are the best in all the fields. Let it be in academics, let it be in other curricular activities. Basically, why a school does annual days, so that the students come outside the academics and do their other curricular activities and present what we are, how we are.
What's the strength in this school?
In this we have 200 plus students. In the first year, Alhamdulillah, first year we have 200 plus students. Coming to the rest of the regional branches, in total if you go, it will go 5K plus.
So as a regional group of institution give a very less amount of fee structure and
Yes.
all, that's the reason students are here, I guess.
Yeah, the major thing why we kept the lesser fee is, as my late father-in-law, Syed Abdul Ghaffar sir, it was his vision to give affordable studying, and my husband Syed Muhammad Kamran, we have a vision that we do not want any kind of donation, we want affordable studying, wherein the academics as sports as well as deen और दुनियादारी साथ में चलेंगे तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. This was a vision and view to put up. That is the reason why we kept as affordable study.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
About our management, I have no words to express, because whatever opportunities they have given all the staff, including technical, non-technical, teaching staff, everybody, they have not let down anybody behind. They wanted everybody to perform. Apart from that, monetary benefits, which I would like to tell you few things. Management has never looked on monetary benefits. They have given so much of affordable fees, and they have given so many students free education just to bring our community forward. They wanted all our kids to come forward as other communities. I don't regret my community, but just that the education is lagging behind. They are giving them that opportunities. I feel they are doing a wonderful job. I feel that Allah has blessed them. He will definitely bless them in future also.
How long are you connected with regional group of institutes?
8 years. Alhamdulillah, 8 years.
So this is the first year.
First year annual day celebrations, it's gone wonderful. Our parents are very happy.
And
We have,
here you are giving your service as headmistress.
yes, administrator, complete in charge. I've been taking. I told you, they don't stop people. They just motivate them to go further. Do your best. Prove yourself. They don't let you stay back. And I'm really glad that I'm working with these people. My whole management team, I really salute them for their community work, what they are doing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Every successful person has a painful story, and every painful story has a successful ending. तो बच्चों को हमें मेहनत करना सिखाना है. Till they don't work hard, they cannot achieve. Really, they cannot achieve. That is the fact. So we should teach what is their responsibility, how they can achieve, what is the root cause, where they are lagging for success. All these things we need to teach them. और हम समझते हैं एक बच्चा हमारे घर का अफराद है, हमारे खानदान का अफराद है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे मोहल्ले का अफराद. पे आप मेरा एक आजिज़ाना इल्तिजा है, यहाँ पे कुछ डयास मिला है तो मैं बात करूँगी. मेरी 100 बातों में एक बात कोई 4 लोग समझ जाए, 4 कोई ऐसी कलियाँ जो आपकी छोटे छोटे रहते हैं, ये चीज़ बच्चों को सिखाना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. एक चादर देख के पाँव फैलाना, अभी वो ओल्ड हो गया है, तो लेट इट योर किड्स बी चूजी, सेलेक्टिव, नॉट चूजी. जो नहीं है उनको शुरू से ही उनको वो अपने आप पे काबू पाना सिखाइए. Then only they can become very elaborated, very broad-minded. So ये चीज़ बच्चों को सिखाइए. और आए ख्वाह में रूह जाग अब, आए ख्वाह में रूह हमारी कौम के लिए अपने आप की, मुझे भी आपने मिला के बोल रही हूँ. आए ख्वाह में रूह जाग अब, कहाँ सो रहे हैं हम. आए ख्वाह में रूह जाग अब, कहाँ सो रहे हैं हम. रोशन होंगे ये सितारे इस दौर में दौलत इल्म से ही. जो भी सारे सितारे हैं हमारे बीच में है अब. कल को हम वहाँ ऐसे दिखाना चाहते हैं, मेरा बच्चा, see, there my kid is shining, there is my kid. It was here now previously, and now I want my kid to be shining there. I want my kid to see there. So ऐसा चाहते हैं तो उसको दौलत इल्म ज़रूर दीजिएगा. इस इल्तिजा के साथ आज यहाँ पे जमा सारे लोग मुझे इस डयास पे बुला के इतना मानो सम्मान दिया है, आप सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. और आज जो भी बच्चे परफॉर्म करने जा रहे हैं, डांस हो, सॉन्ग और वॉट एवर स्किट, सभी के लिए ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड गुड लक.
Esteemed guests, to water the saplings.
Of the child's entire community, including family, educators, medical and mental health providers. We nurture students to be independent, lifelong learners and infused with sound moral values, who are respectful and responsible, and who rise to the challenges of life creatively, enthusiastically in an ever-changing world. Our school values are respect, responsibility, integrity, care and harmony.
मुअज़्ज़ज़ सामाईन और मोहतरम ख़वातीन और प्यारे बच्चों, माशाअल्लाह आज हम सब के लिए एक बहुत बड़ी खुशी का मौका है। और माशाअल्लाह हमारी इस स्कूल का आज एनुअल डे है। मैं आप सबको बताना चाहता हूँ, 2-4 मिनट आपका लूँगा, फिर उसके बाद बच्चों का हमारा दुनिया का प्रोग्राम पेश करूँगा। माशाअल्लाह हमारे जो मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेरे रफ़ीक हैं कामरान साहब, और इसी तरह हमारे इस मैसूर के जितने मुसलमान हैं इन पर अल्लाह का करम है, इनका बहुत बड़ा एहसान है कि ये इनके तकरीबन 12 स्कूल्स हैं। इन 12 स्कूल्स के अंदर भी जैसे हमारे तबस्सुम नाम ने स्टार्टिंग एक आयम को खुसूसन जो पहला वही भेजी है, उसके अंदर अल्लाह ताला ने हमसे ये मुतालबा किया, पढ़ने का अल्लाह ताला ने हमसे मुतालबा किया है। इसकी तकमील के लिए पढ़ना क्या है? पढ़ना ये है कि अल्लाह जल्ल जलालहू का हुक्म क्या है। अल्लाह ने एक मुसलमान को पैदा करने के बाद में एक छोटा सा मुतालबा हमसे किया है कि तुम्हारी मौत ईमान ही की हालत में आनी चाहिए। वला तमूतुन्ना इल्ला व अंतुम मुस्लिमून, तुम्हारी मौत आए तो इस्लाम ही की हालत में आनी चाहिए। एक जो पेरेंट्स हैं उन्होंने देखा होगा कि आपके बच्चे
आपके रब ने हाथी वालों के साथ क्या सलूक किया। अलम यजअल कैदहुम फी तदलील, क्या उनकी